Welcome to this tutorial on the isnotnull command in Splunk SPL. The isnotnull command is a fundamental data validation tool that helps you identify and filter events containing actual data values. This command is essential for ensuring data quality and completeness in your Splunk searches. The isnotnull command serves a specific purpose in data validation. It filters events where specified fields contain actual data and are not null or empty. This means the command will only return events that have meaningful values in the fields you specify, excluding any records with missing, null, or empty field values. The basic syntax for the isnotnull command is straightforward. You use the pipe symbol followed by isnotnull, then specify the field name you want to check. The structure is pipe isnotnull field _name. This simple syntax allows you to quickly filter your data to include only events where the specified field contains valid data. Here's a practical example of using isnotnull. When searching weblogs, you might want to filter events that have a valid user ID. The command index equals web_logs pipe isnnull user_ID will return only those log entries where the user ID field contains actual data, excluding any anonymous or incomplete entries. The isnotnull command can work with both single and multiple fields. For a single field, you simply specify one field name like isnotnull email. For multiple fields, you can specify several field names in the same command, such as isnotnull email phone. When using multiple fields, the command returns events where all specified fields contain non-null values. The isnotnull command has two primary use cases. First, data validation, where you ensure that required fields contain data before proceeding with analysis. Second, data completeness checking, where you filter complete records for accurate analysis. These use cases are crucial for maintaining data integrity and ensuring reliable results in your Splunk investigations. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.